owns the land and factories. We don't know where he gets the money. Oh, don't we know Mr. Sharpay will never let us go free? Stay away from him. He's a maniac. Stay away from him.
And when he's near, don't sing.
Enough singing. Now off to work, all of you, and finish that dish of minced meat.
No, thanks.
Ginger, garlic, pepper, onion, parsley, mint, sage, coriander. Get back to work.
Hey, wait! What's the chef's name?
Can't you guess? Red Hot Chili Pepper!
Red Hot Chili Pepper! Here I come!
Hey, don't forget the lesson.
Why are you so desperate to learn all those court etiquettes?
Well, I may not be in the grey zone, but sooner or later, we'll all be breathing the same air. Who is safe?
Exactly. Why'd you bother then? Court etiquettes, they can't save you.
If I become a court lady, it doesn't matter, because I would get to die in a silk bed. And I die beautiful. You know, people tell stories about beautiful ladies who die in the palace. That's what they did to the princess who killed herself and her husband by drinking poison. They'll never talk about the ghastly look on her face. At most, she just goes, eh, sings a few notes, and dies. Na, 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 na. Under a tree too. How romantic!
When you die, you die. People say you die beautiful are liars.
Die! Don't you say another word about dying.
Well, you started it.
I just hope to stay away from life in the grey zone.
So do I. I'll do anything to get out of the grey zone. I'll even kill someone to get that exit permit.
Did you say kill?
I mean, if you look at the person in the right way, then you may be able to kill him and get to do whatever you like with him. Number one trick for being a court lady.
How? The killing look.
Gaze into my eyes. Stop gazing.
Right.
The dance, yeah. Well, when you walk, lift your feet as if you're walking in air.
In air.
That's it. Now, leap into the air and reach for the stars.
The kitchen maid is happy tonight. Now I'm full of songs myself.
Higher, 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 on the wings of these exquisite notes. Further, further, further from this heavy weight of living. There's no sea I won't cross, no lands I won't travel to reach to my heart's desire. Higher, 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 on the wings of these exquisite notes. Higher, 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 lift me right to the stars. Closer, closer, closer,
I dream.
Me?
No, there's no sea I won't cross, no lands I won't travel to reach to my heart's desire. Higher, higher, higher. Let fancy take its flight. Sweet, 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 sweet is a life without a care. Free, 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 free is the song not seeking applause. Above which goes my song soars and dips and glides past the land, up the hillside to reach beyond your higher, higher, the wings of these exquisite notes. Further, further, from this heavy weight of living. Sweet, 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 there's no sea, rise and cross, no lands I will travel to reach to my heart's desire. Letting your land fall on. My stars are within my reach, 'cause my heart's higher, higher, and my feet get lighter, lighter, to reach me to those stars, till I get what I desire. I've never felt so light for a long time.
Neither have I, Ginger Lily.
Oh my. Good night.
Good, 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 good night.
Not that way.
Good night. How strange. They've danced. Why are they just talking? These noisy humans, I just don't understand. Life up there among the branches is so much simpler.
What are you looking at? A bird like you? What do you know about love?
What do you know about showing it?
What happened to you?
Her name's not Chili Pepper.
You mean who? The chef?
She said if I don't go, she'll make me eat all the chilies in the kitchen. But I can tell she feels something too.
Get some sleep. Love is a many splendid thing.
Can't you feel the love tonight?
Love's last night. Now is the break of the day.
What are you doing? Writing up our reports to the Emperor. Anything to contribute? What did you say just now? Love is a many splendid thing.
It's the Nightingale, not love. You dispatch this at once. To hasten the pace now, the letter is dispatched, and the Emperor heard that of all the wonders in this land, nothing's like the song of a bird.
So now the Emperor will not rest till he finds the songbird's nest. He sent for the one man who he thinks can do it best.
'Cause he's tough and unafraid.
His trusted Sharpay!
I want a team of experts You must not fail me, or I hound you day and night till you get me that loathsome bird.
So now, this team of experts comprising a
Hunter, a naturalist,
of fishermen and soldiers are setting off on this search for the Nightingale.
Wait. You need a bird catcher. You appeared always at the right time.
Handy. You're the handyman.
An opportunist in a good sense.
My personal motto, never get shots in a cage.
Haven't you heard? There's a big reward.
Nightingale, what does it look like?
What is it? What's the reward?
A golden pendant from the Emperor himself.
Do we get to leave this place if I catch it?
You get to do anything with this pendant. Anything. Where's the Nightingale?
Welcome to the Grey Zone. This is the heart of our kingdom's economy.
Impressive.
What does the Nightingale look like? Nobody knows. Is there anything else you can tell me?
Yes, I did a transcription. It sings like this.
Let me see. Choo, choo, choo. Tear, tear. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Oh no, foul language, you think.
Maya. I'm looking for the boy Typhoon. Ran away yesterday, leaving all the work to me now. Don't worry, he can't go anywhere else unless he has a permit. When he comes back, you can do whatever you like with him. What a terrible portrait.
Hey, isn't that you?
Shh! Better be. It's not for nothing that brought him from his parents. And such a big eater, big and strong, can carry a horse. Looks a bit like the boy over there.
He's our handyman. Hey, what's your name, by the way?
For yeah. Business so good these days, and I'm short of one man. How can I handle it all myself?
What business?
Funeral. Don't worry, he can't go anywhere else, and we'll do everything we can to get him back to you.
You said this is the heart of the kingdom's economy.
Oh yes, our workers are the most productive in the entire kingdom. We have to sign a contract. We can't leave. But we get very good benefits and pay when we retire. Well, most of the workers do not make it before retirement.
Look how sickness cling to them. When they are sick, they slaughter us. When we are sick, they slaughter us too.
Let's go.
Wait, I know where the bird is. My neighbor stolen it from me yesterday and they are leaving town tomorrow. If you give me the exit permits, I can find the bird for you.
Wait, I brought you the Nightingale.
No, I have the Nightingale. I know the Nightingale.
Here, this is Nightingale, my daughter, the most beautiful girl in town with the voice of a nightingale. That's why she's called Nightingale, right?